If you're experiencing login errors on Kraken, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issues. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any type of case sensitivity, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password feature on the login page. Follow the instructions in the email you received to reset your password. Step 3. Verify account status. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can cause login errors. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact Kraken support. If you've tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to Kraken's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error messages you receive. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Kraken. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.